Welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to focus on the module, My Playlists, and more specifically on how to get the address of your favorite playlists. Note that only the playlists of Spotify, Deezer and SoundCloud are managed by the module, My Playlists. Now let's see how to get the address of your playlists from each of these providers. Let's start with Spotify. You can get the address of a playlist from a list view. To do this, place your mouse cursor on the image of the playlist. Click on the three small dots that appear. In the menu that appears, go to Share, and on Copy Playlist Link. You just have to paste it in the playlist URL field in the playlist form. You can also get the address of a playlist from the playlist. The procedure is the same. Click on the three small dots, go to Share, then on Copy Playlist Link. Now let's go to Deezer. As with Spotify, you can get the address of a playlist from a list view or from a playlist. From a list view, go to the image of the desired playlist. Click on the three small dots that appear, then on Share. In the window that appears, click Copy. You just have to paste it in the playlist URL field in the playlist form. From a playlist, click Share. In the window that appears, click Copy. Let's finish with SoundCloud. From the list view, place the mouse cursor over the image of the playlist. Click on the three small dots. Click Share. In the window that opens, copy the field Share. You just have to paste it in the playlist URL field in the playlist form. From a playlist, click on the square with an arrow. In the window that opens, copy the field Share. Now you know how to get the addresses of your favorite playlists. See you soon for a new tutorial.